Hello again, Phoebe Tonosaki is here. Welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to share a DIY calendar. We are now almost there to 2019, and are you ready to choose your calendar for next year? Yes, we can make them with Lindy's Gand. So here I have a Cinch kit from the Real Memory Keepers. It has all the parts that needs to make this calendar. Of course, you can make your own one. If you do not have the cinch, you can just punch the holes and then maybe use some ribbon to bind them together. The method to make it is just the same. So after finish setting up the whole calendar template, we are now ready to decorate it. Since it is going to be quite heavy, we don't want it to be too bulky. So here I just use chipboard and some chipboard with the digits to mark as the days and months. The secret is that to use both white gesso and black gesso, because we don't want our days to be dull. So some days we are in kind of mystery mode, and then some day we are kind of shabby cheat mood. It is really easy, you just pick your favorite Lindy's Gand colors. Black gesso especially work with Lindy's Gand Starburst very well, and you can add layers and layers of spray to add up the shimmer. Some of the months and days, instead of using the digits, I use some character or some kind of funny stuff to represent the numbers by painting it in gold, and it will just add some spicy to the whole project. really hope you like this project, and we still have one more month and more days to 2019, so make sure to get your favorite Lindy skin colors and make your own calendar. Bye bye!